Okay, so we're going to go ahead and take a look at the partitive in French, which we looked at in class today, and just go over it so you have a lesson that you can refer to online and review when you need to. Partitive in French, this is our way to express some of a quantity. And we usually use it with food, which is why we're looking at it in this unit, which is focused on food. So if I have an expression, je veux, je voudrais, je mange, I'm going to use the partitive to say I want, I would like, I'm eating, and it's something. When I say something like j'aime, I like, then here I'm going to use my definite article, le, la, les, or an apostrophe. So let's look at an example. J'aime la glace, I like ice cream. Okay, so remember our je veux, I want, or je voudrais, I would like. For a feminine noun, I add de la, and then my feminine noun. For a masculine noun, I add du, and then the masculine noun. For a plural noun, whether it's feminine or it's masculine, I'm going to use de. I call this your gift, un cadeau. Because with this, you don't have to identify whether it's feminine or it's masculine, your noun. You just know if it's plural, you're going to use de here. And then, of course, last but not least, we have our de and l'apostrophe plus the noun that begins with a vowel or with a silent H. So we have a few examples here on the board. Je veux de l'eau minérale. I want some mineral water. Je veux du pain. I want some bread. Je voudrais des haricots verts. I would like some green beans. Je veux de la glace. I want some ice cream. So we need to add one more bit of information to our notes and to the lesson. When we're saying something in the negative using the partitive, so I don't want some, whatever the item is, we have to have a special formation. So negative partitive, we're going to call this. For the negative partitive, de, la, du, des, and de, l'apostrophe in the negative becomes de. Doesn't matter if I'm talking about a feminine item, a masculine, a plural, or one that starts with a vowel. All of these in the negative become de. So let's take a look at our sentences here. Je veux de l'eau minérale is going to be je ne veux pas get rid of my eraser. D'eau minérale. So, je ne veux pas d'eau minérale. Yes, my de, because this E is here, I have to drop my E and add an apostrophe. Okay, je veux du pain becomes je ne veux pas de pain. So my du in my affirmative turns to de in the negative. Je voudrais des haricots verts. Okay, this one's a little bit tricky, guys. Haricot is not a silent H. So it's je voudrais, ne voudrais, pardon, ne voudrais pas de haricots verts. Et finalement, je veux de la glace. Je ne veux pas de glace. I don't want any ice cream. Okay, so let's review one last time. The partitive in French for some, instead of the article alone, le, la, or les, I'm going to use de la before feminine noun, du before masculine noun, des before plural noun, and de à l'apostrophe before a noun that begins with a silent vowel. Je ne veux pas de l'eau minérale. Je veux de l'eau minérale, pardon. Je veux du pain. Je voudrais des haricots verts. Je veux de la glace. Okay, so keep working on that. Remember our de la, du, des, de at apostrophe. And let's not forget, if I've got a negative of any of the partitive, they all become de. Keep working.